wrapping paper. Yeah, we found the wrapping paper. Dang, these cars bright as heck. It's a vibe. I got my head out the Oh, 9:51 right now, on the way home. Super duper uber dark right now. Low-key kind of tired. A busy day today, but we going home. I'm gonna go to bed. Actually, I'm gonna take a shower first because we're working today. We're outside. I have to back out of my boyfriend's driveway. It said drive with me home at nighttime. Y'all can't see me because it's nighttime. I'm right here. I have to wake up early tomorrow too because tomorrow is Easter and we're gonna be going to. Y'all can't even see me. Gosh, y'all can't still see me. We're gonna be going to Austin's grandparents' house for Easter dinner. Now y'all can see me in the right car. Cops be like high-key trying to hide in the back over there, so no one can see them when people speed. This is a road that people usually speed on. Dang, these cars bright as heck. But I'll catch y'all when I get home. Just got home. About to go inside now. I just called my boyfriend and wake him up. Let's go inside now. Let's go. It's gonna start getting dark in here. See?
Oh, what are you talking about?
We're on the way to Dollar Tree because I have to get wrapping paper.
Hey, it's been a long time since I've been in your video.
I know, it has been a little.
Guess what?
What? Actually, I did. I posted it on my other channel. If you subscribe.
Me in it?
Yeah.
Your other channel? I didn't.
Yes.
I didn't see your other channel.
Go see.
What's
It
your other
actually
channel
got a lot of views. Go to my channel. I don't know. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree. It's raining. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we got here. Dollar Tree is literally like right there. So now we're about to go in. Run in this rain. It's not raining that hard, so it's fine. Tommy's watching my old video right now. Okay, you ready here?
Yeah.
Let's go. Y'all, I have the plants I want. And I low-key want a rug in that satin pillow case. But it's $5. Y'all, we found the wrapping paper. Now I just gotta find which one. That's awkward. Just got to Dollar Tree. Oh, we have to be home because Hermie has to go to...
That's funny.
Yeah.
Sounds like deja vu.
I know, I literally just repeated this because I thought I was recording.
You tripping, bro?
Can you put this over there? It's for my business. Woo! I got conditioner. Did I turn my car? And I got some wrapping paper. Wrap Austin's gift, which is like this. Bro, that is exactly my car. She has my car.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's like
that's funny.
that's like my car.
So only like 2 people that came in the store.
Has my car. Let's go home. Right, looks like I'm in college. Look at me right now. Whenever I look at college people, they always look like this. Well, not always, but like I've seen someone look like this on a college campus. Oh my gosh, bro. It's a vibe. But it's time to go. It's time to leave. It's time to head out. Let's go. What time is it? 1:44. 4 minutes early. That's okay because I'm gonna make a quick TikTok in the car. I gotta be a little bit early if I'm gonna make this TikTok. Make sure no one's outside. I don't see anyone, so hold up. Now let's go. Okay, we are in the car. I said I want to make a quick TikTok. Let's turn on the car first. I'm driving to school right now. My camera has like 2 bars, so when it usually does that, it's about to die. So just jam out until my camera dies, okay? That's fine. I should have charged my battery, but I didn't. I should have. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Drunk on myself for a while now. Living a dream, devouring everything I want in me. And everything I want in me. I'm trying for the infinity, I'm hard working and gritty. This is my song, bro. Hold on, we at a stoplight though, and I gotta hit like the first beat because it'd be hard. Wait till this red light leaves. I gotta hit my first beat. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I got What the heck? One thing in the back of my mind might be my time to shine with you. I got my head out the sun, real. And the stars came crashing down in pieces to the ground. I was all alone down here, and I know it ain't pretty when a house gets broke. I hope someday we'll see them together. About these days, all my troubles. Is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is a Drive With Me channel. I also have another channel which is like vlogs of me and my day and my life, routines and stuff like that. So if you want to go check that out, link is always in the description below. I'm also going to be posting a travel vlog on that channel soon, I will be filming this Thursday because we're leaving this Thursday. And then like the drive there will be on this channel, but like the vlog part of that will be on my other channel. So if you guys want to go check that out, you guys have to go subscribe to my other channel. And yeah, that's where I post all my vlog content now and stuff like that, since this channel y'all seem to love the Drive With Me videos and just car videos in general and just stuff having to do with cars. So that's why I've just been posting like car videos on this channel from now on. But if you were confused on why I was doing that, I just cleared it up for you. But yeah, so go check out that channel. Link is always in the description. Also, if you go to my channel page, if you go slide over to channels, it's also right there. Like I put a link there, so you can just click on it and just go there directly. It's 1:04 right now. I have to get ready. But Harmony's on spring break, so I don't have to go pick up Harmony from school, which I am so freaking happy, bro. I have like so much time now. It's 1 o'clock right now. This is the time where usually I would like be hurrying up to get ready so I could go pick up Harmony at 2. But I have like 2 extra hours just to work and do what I gotta do, and I'm so happy for that. For this whole entire week, like until Thursday, which is when I leave. I have this whole entire week just to not go pick up Harmony and do my own thing, which I'm so happy. Also, I hope you guys had a great Easter. Yesterday was Easter, if y'all forgot, but yeah, yesterday was Easter. I hope you had a great Easter. I hope you celebrated it with your family and friends and everyone that you love, and I hope you had a good time. I hope you got to go pick up eggs and stuff like that, get candy and stuff like that, and celebrate God and everything that he's done for us and how he rose from the dead. And yeah, it's a pretty great day to celebrate God and everything he's done for us. So I appreciate every single one of y'all. I hope you have a great, fantastic rest of your day. I tried to hurry up and film this video, so like I've just been like trying to create content for this video because this video was literally 2 minutes and I had to make it to 12. So I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, homies. Y'all are the best. Thank you for supporting me and watching my ads so I can move out this year. Y'all are the best. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, homies.